lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. All of me friend them rich. My lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. Versace on me wrist. And the eyes on the chain of my drip. My lifestyle rich.
December 26th. It's Christmas in Jamaica because them fool. Because Christmas fall upon a Sunday, them not celebrate it on the Sunday, so them have to celebrate it the next day. So the 26th, I guess, and the 27th would be considered a holiday. Foolishness, but anyways, this is Christmas breakfast, I guess. Then. But today is Christmas for you guys.
No Christmas breakfast.
So this is Christmas breakfast. Daddy, what is this? I don't know what we're eating. I don't know what this green thing is, or these circly things, or this long oblong object. And I don't know whose plate this is or whatever. And then Daddy's drinking Lipton tea because, you know, in Jamaica everything has to be foreignized. They don't like anything local. Say good morning. Good job. You say Daddy Christmas breakfast. Look on Daddy Christmas breakfast.
You must make you see Christmas breakfast here.
Yeah, you're putting it down right in front of us. Tujo, can you make my tea? What did you do? The fever grass? Oh, okay. Yeah, guys. It's Christmas breakfast at the Brown's house.
Hi, is it calling? Good. So,
look one more.
I was calling about Josh.
Everyone's working. Tijil's building a house for a dog. Or for some dogs. Or something like that. Snaggerek. In there. Okay.
Me day I go and bill, I go and chill, and I sip some roots of Bubble Hill. Cause Rasta no consume season poison. Yeah, in the Rasta party and everything done upload. Every Rasta with me make them proud. Fresh like out on the grass with the green. Let the prince and princess things and queens. Yeah, everything done upload. Every bubble with me make them proud. Fresh like out on the grass with the green. Let the prince and princess things and queens.
Never let you go, never let you down. Let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you.
Drink and smoke if me feel like. Fuck them girl if me feel like. Bust some shot if me feel like. If me feel like. Bad people need bad people round them. Round them. Rich badness enough for the clown them. Real recognize real. You real recognize real. Bad people need bad people round them. Say them bad and them a post on Snapchat. Chat him out, get a fat shot. First Jordan man a rock Hennessy and the rocks. If you did to get 3 from the Glock. Champion man a pop, y'all a flock. When me stop man a got anywhere pan the map. Big fast range man a push. Without the top, y'all a semi sweet like lollipop.
This is sprinkles, you guys. Sprinkles?
Spinks.
Sprinkles? It's fun for them. Just like taking things without permission is fun for you. Guys, guess what? Today is the day of White Christmas, and I am not going. Sade is not going. Asha's not going because Christmas fell on a Sunday. They decided that they were going to celebrate Christmas today. And what Christmas means in Jamaica, or what holiday means in Jamaica, is they feel like nobody not supposed to work, nothing not supposed to run. All of them something that's a boss, now run. Everybody who I know that drives, either their work, already make them way down a town, or was already in town when I called to see if I could get a ride with somebody, because my whole plan was to take the bus to Ochi. We had plans that I was going to get picked up from there and brought to... Oh my gosh, you guys, look at Fairview. I'm trying to get it in the shot, you know. Oh my god, they decorated like literally everywhere. Oh my god, you guys, I'm new to this because I never see Jamaica look science. The only time I ever see decorations in a Jamaica when Independence Day. Like, was I here for Jamaica? No, I wasn't here for Jamaica 58. Or was I? I can't remember, but it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Yeah, me fi take one picture like you, my girl. Me go do that too, yeah? Yeah, me go take one picture like she. Oh, it was over here I seen, what was it, yesterday? I was like, it's so pretty. This driveway area is always so nice, regardless, like the trees and thing, but with all these extra lights, like look at this. Look at this. I feel like, you know, like I'm in Bel Air, like some rich places. I'm like, oh, look at it, just don't you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel the love?
Like pepper lights, you know?
Huh?
They're pretty like pepper lights, you know?
Like pepper lights?
These lights, man, they're pretty.
They're so pretty. If it's like my picture, yeah. But I have to take picture around here, some I can't make the little decorations go 2 years. No, and foreigner there. God, oh God, it's so pretty. Christmas in Jamaica. Ooh, guess where we're going, guys? Guess where me I go? Guess where me I go? Guess where me I go? And I'm opening the next one in Montego Bay. How could they say it's not the same thing and not the same thing as Sakura Express? I hate when people tell me to be ready for a certain time and then they're not even fucking ready. Like, I'm mad annoyed right now. I've been ready for so... Sammy, Sandy, Sade, Asha, Tati Minosa, she not gonna on the group chat, but message me on my Jamaica number because I'm not use the other phone. Coming on my snap, come say hello to Snap. So I got Stammer with Stammer!
Why pray now? New York. You see, yeah.
Oh, me get it. I get it now.
You just see it.
Rivertown, you're waving on Spanish Town. Big up the darlings and
Start, you know what I mean? Yeah. Ladies, come on. Yes, come on. Ready? Ladies, come on.
That's my favorite song here. This is my favorite song. Yeah.
Rachel, we gonna say January album. All white people right now have your money put up here. All independent ladies, come on.
Great catch.
So you're gonna go sing to the elephant now. Right now we're not going to Who dance girl let me start in here so? All the good dance me till what the good
I can't get like a regular. Show me a cellular. Your boyfriend a hustler. Girl broke out and wine.
Oh, fuck.
I wonder what some girls study around here. See them argue over money. What up, girl? From your conscience clear. Sing the one you love, make me hear. Man, I the least of my problem. So me let me get me a bed. Me too. And he told me that he's tired of the shit you got. He takes one thing and he's coming back.
The boy clean scream at me and loud up. What people photo divorce someone in the region?
We have money in my pockets and I feel nice. You call your man name. Some you can't do that them for shame. I could have been hard to watch me.
What's a big woman, the big woman? Come here.
Something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. Something about her. The first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. Even though that I would fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Oh my God, yeah, that's all but like you. God, got me, can't stop. Relax, I wanna give you some good. show no progress. Man figure through life without no stress. Be friends with some people that's homeless. Cause I'm another pro. The lunatic, hell up the hell enough. Looking for mother ammunition, no shit enough. Anything you like, as long as you're alright, then be alright. We know you matter, that's why I like you. So I would rather like you. So don't fall the proper side, so back it up with everything. Why do they do it at night?
Market that made it big.
So them not have big shop, them couldn't make big shop in the day?
And it's all night.
All night?
All night.
Oh wow.